Want to buckle down and get a month's worth of social media content done in one sitting? It can be done because we're going to do it together. Hey, it's Arit here with Asatino Media, and if you're watching this video, I want to invite you to a content creation workshop, a live, hands-on workshop where you'll come out with a month's worth of content in less than 3 hours. And this isn't another sit back and relax webinar. It's an interactive, roll up your sleeves, get it done kind of workshop that's going to be limited to 25 people. And you'll craft pieces of content that not only authentically connects with your audience, but also drives leads and sales. I've included a link to the registration page in the description below, and you can see here, this is what you can expect. We're going to set some clear content objectives, develop a content strategy, really decide on who your content is for, and define specific goals. We're also going to actually create the content together, and these are unique pieces of content that you'll be crafting alongside other entrepreneurs. These are pieces of content that can be used for Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or even YouTube in the form of video scripts. And along the way in this workshop, you'll also learn how to actually make the content work for you, to actually do what you want it to do on social media. I created this workshop because as a YouTube coach and business owner who's been specializing in creating profitable content for over a decade, one of the biggest problems I see is not that people don't know how to create the content. They don't need more information. In fact, it's information overload, and that's what leads to these problems over here where you've been putting off content creation because it feels overwhelming, you're procrastinating on it, you find yourself overthinking what to post, but you know you need to do it more. You know you need to post more if you want to market your brand, your business, your message. And here's the thing, you don't need more information on how to post. You need a process for creating content consistently, and you need accountability. With this workshop, you have that opportunity in front of you, so you can stop stressing about what to post or that you haven't posted and actually feel relief that you have the next month of content ready to go. And that's truly the outcome that I have for you in this workshop. So our next workshop is going to be December 14th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's going to be held over Zoom, so it's a virtual workshop. And if you're not able to make it, then you can purchase the recording. You can come down on this page and click on this link here, and the recording will be emailed to you within 24 hours after the event. If you're watching this video after the event date has passed, you can still click on the link below and see if we have a waiting list to get on for the next workshop. So how it works is that it's a virtual workshop over Zoom. You'll have the link sent to you immediately after you register or reserve your spot. In the workshop, I'll be guiding us specifically through what you want your content to do for you, what is your goal, defining who your content is for, and we're going to collaboratively create pieces of content with other like-minded entrepreneurs. By the end of it, you'll have a month's worth of content ready to post, or possibly more. And again, we only have this limited to 25 spots to keep this interactive and intimate and truly a personalized experience. So to register for the event and to reserve your spot, click on the link in the description below, and when you register, we'll immediately send you an email with all the details that you need for event day. You know, I'm really genuinely excited to host this content creation workshop for you. I can't wait for you to experience content creation in a whole other way. It's going to be fun. I look forward to seeing you in the workshop.